Excuse me. What's happening here? What's the matter?
നിനക്ക് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് അറിയോ? അപ്പൊ പതിൽ சொல்லடா. சொல்லு.
Hey, old man. What's going on here? What's wrong with you? Hey, come on, man.
Come on.
Hey, let's talk about the 30 acres of land. The bloody 30 acres of land. Hey, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are.
ஏய் வண்டி எடுக்கட்டே போல
பேசடா.
Hey, madam, you know one thing? Once upon a time, there was a lion lived in the dense forest. His name is Pandidure. अबे सुन, पांडितुर अन्ना और मैं जो कहता है